do a few for me. You might be better at it.
Please get your hand out of my camera view. Oh, pardon me. Sorry, I just farted. Yeah, I farted. Maybe that was a firework. Oh god. Change sides. Mum started dancing with a thingy. Blaming the lamppost in the way. Do not hit me, mother. You dare. Wow. And I've got some random guy's head in it. So this will be going on YouTube. Putting this on YouTube. Yeah, I can. Huh? I don't think you can. You can't see the faces. I don't need that in it. You're putting me off. Keep on putting my finger in the camera lens. Move the hell over. Thank you. Are you watching my view, Mum?
Yeah.
2 secs. There you go. You watching my view?
I'm watching them there now.
Why? I've got it better here. Mum, don't take over. My arms. I said, do you want to take over doing mine? Oh, right.
Oh, wow,
Oh god, I'm thinking of Fendi now.
no, so am I.
Oh my god. I'm thinking.
Oh, no,
What's she doing?
I should be able to hear it.
You sure? Alright. I hope the man with the trolley moves over. He's in the view if I sit down. Ooh. Wait, please tell me I've got a good view. Goodish. Bloody hell. Come on, hurry up. Dad, I'm recording it.
They're good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Who? Move the hell over, mate. Thank you. Where's that guy with the shopping trolley? Move over. Pretty. Stop glitching. Just stop it. Dad, are you taking photos?
Yeah.
I thought you were videoing it.
No, you can't do that on mine.
You can,
Oh, okay, well, just take photos.
but you won't get very good quality. The quality on your phone's not very good.
No, no.
Dad, please turn your flash off. Oh, I've got something up my bum. Oh, it's called the blanket. Dad, is that it? Ow, ow. Bloody hell, I think Fendi would have heard that. I think Fendi would have heard that, Mum. It's a big bang. Dad, is that it? Oh no, maybe not.